All right, good morning, guys. How's it going? It is excuse me. I swallowed that Gatorade wrong. Anyway, let's restart that. Good morning. How's it going? It is October 30th, Sunday. It's pretty dark, as you see. Got up pretty early. I got up early so I can actually have a longer day to fish and whatnot. Because today I have to take my kids out trick-or-treating, so it's gonna be fun. But anyway, we're going out to the river right now. Got the kayak in the back of the pickup. Gonna target just about anything, really. So let's go see if we can put a smack down on these guys. Let's do it. Well, friends, we have made it out. Took a little bit to get in the water. There was a fellow fisherman trying to get in as well. I'm just waiting on him. So I'm gonna go downriver a little bit, target some rock piles, deeper water. Trying to figure out what else. Some brush. That's really it. I'm gonna look at getting some crappies, white bass. Hopefully we can even squeeze in a walleye or two. That'd be nice. I'm not really familiar with this stretch when it comes to walleye fishing, but I've caught a few out of this stretch before, but I've never actually targeted them and know where they're sitting at and stuff like that. So, because this stretch of the river is pretty deep, it's just a matter of finding them is all it is. But hopefully we catch something today. I got my little dock rod, I call it the dock rod. This is a whipper rod. I think this is like that's a 4 foot on the dot. It's just when I pull up to a little brush pile, I can just get right next to the kayak and right next to the brush and whatnot. So I don't have a freaking 10-foot rod hanging by side of me. But we're gonna go out here and let's see what we can do, guys. Let's see if we can put a smack down on some fish. That's what we need today, is some fish.
1 hour later.
Let me tell you guys what. I got out here at 8:15. It's 9:45. I haven't had a single bite out here yet. Nothing. It is crazy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna row back to the boat ramp, pack my kayak, and then I'm gonna go back to another spot in the river where I can for sure catch some fish. At least, I hope. So, with that being said, I'm getting out of here, and hopefully we can actually catch something at the other spot. Because I was there 3-4 days ago or something like that, and I absolutely slayed the fish. So I think my problem here is that it's so deep. You have bait fish on the surface, and some of these bait fish are getting blown up on, and it's fall. Water temps are at 52 degrees right now. So then my thought is these fish aren't on the bottom. It's not cold enough yet. So they're definitely eating in the mid column up to the top column of the water. So what I'm doing right now is I'm actually trolling a bait about 4 or 5 feet down, and I'm in 10 feet of water. And hopefully something strikes it by the time I get back to that boat ramp. So we'll see what happens. This is more like it. Got everything loaded back up, thank God. I was not used to that one spot. That was a little too much for me, to be honest with you guys. But here, hopefully we make a change. So let's get on this water. Feels good to be able to stand up, just stretch my legs instead of having to sit on the kayak the whole time. But let's make a change here, guys. Let's do this. Pretty stoked. I'm ready to catch some fish here. I know this stretch of the river by heart. I know where the deep holes are, or all the rock piles, brush piles, whatever you can think of. I know this stretch by heart because I'm here a lot. I'm gonna pull up into a deep spot here in a second. Getting ready to anchor here in a second. I'm just gonna chill right here. Yep, anchor down right here. Jeez, that's deep. What a mess. I think it's time to Definitely upgrade with rope. Because this rope is a no-go. All right, we're set. Let's get to fishing. I left the fish finder in the car. I was like, you know what? I don't want to have a bunch of crap on here. I'm gonna put this rod away though. Use my other one. See if we can pull out a few crappies, a few walleyes, maybe even some white bass. We'll just have to see what happens here. Oh, I just had one already. Dang, I already had one. That's crazy. They said it was supposed to be cloudy today. I'm not liking that sun right now. So hopefully those clouds cover that thing up. Like a few. Here. Come on. No, you guys are in here. I just lost one literally like 3 casts ago, 4 casts ago, whatever it was. One thing I did forget to bring is my damn net, just in case. Ooh. Just had something again. All right, take one more cast, change rods. Just gonna have to keep changing baits until I find which color they want and what size and what kind of action they want. Right now I'm using pink on a 1/32 ounce jig head just because there's absolutely no current here. You can get away with the 1/32 for sure. Yeah, I got a 1/32 on my ultralight right here. And then on my walleye rod, I got 4-pound test and I get away with the 1/16 just fine. All right. Time to change up baits, baby. All right, it was time to switch up baits. I had a 1/8 and I was like, there's no use for a 1/8 here. So I'm rocking my custom Y.F.A.I jig right here, 1/16 ounce. And I'm gonna pair it up with Kramer Custom Rods and Tackle plastic right here. Not sure what the name of this is, but the color, it's pretty spicy. I like it. So I'm gonna throw this on. Okay, so this thing looks pretty damn deadly. Whew! That's so icy. All right, now let's get to business. I'm not throwing far at all. Deep hole is right around me right here. I'm trying to fish the edge of that and make my way into the bowl. So hopefully something decides to hit this. I just wish that sun would go away. Then somebody's calling me, of course. Hello? Bring me a cold beer. A cold beer. That's it. Alrighty. I'll see you soon. Later. Whoa, I got a cold beer on the way. That's a plus. I just gotta get these damn fish to bite here in a second. Fish just jumped right next to me too, holy smokes. Of course my GoPro shuts off. Crappie number 1. That's a dandy as well. On the Kramer plastic, baby. Let's go. That's a big one too. Sick. Literally my GoPro shut off as I'm setting the hook. That's so cringe to me. There we go. A little smaller guy. On the Kramer plastic. Let's not lose those. Just a little guy, but I'll take it. Oh, there we go. Let's go. cool. Kramer plastic is slaying so far. Love it. Oh yeah, another one. Now this is what I call fishing. When you get one just about damn near every cast, that's what makes it fun. But if you have to keep searching and searching and searching for one, it's not worth it. Unless it's like a freaking, you know, 10-pound walleye or something like that, then okay. Look at that. Just stacked. Getting a little bigger again. Let's try it again. There we go. Nice one. Oh, this guy's hooked deep. There we go. Nice fish.
Oh, I just went over you.
No, you're good, you're good. There we go. What do we got? Another walleye.
Bro, I'm literally not doing anything different than you. I swear.
They call me the fish whisperer for a reason, okay? Ah, this one's a little smaller for eating. Throw him back. Come on, fish. There we go. It's gotta be another walleye. Yeah. Another walleye. Smaller. Come on, where's the eaters? Probably like 12, 13 inches. Bites slow down actually a little bit. I'm gonna take out my other walleye rod here in a second. Yeah, let's try my walleye rod out for a little bit. Nothing on that one, which I'm surprised. I'm very surprised. Just one fish. Too much to ask for. There we go. Never mind. Nice crappie. Nice crappie. Damn. All right.
Hey,
What's up?
doing a good shit.
Right? One crappie. Just one crappie. All right. You ready for this? Dang.
Nothing.
Pretty much. Dude, not one fish. All right, we're calling it, guys. I'm out of here. I'm tired. That beer got to me. Beer usually makes me super tired. So let's get out of here. Well guys, I think I forgot to shoot an outro for this video on the river. So I'm doing it now. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you smash that like button. Another thing, hit that subscribe button below. Helps me a lot as well. Yeah, one other thing I want to mention, huge giveaway at 10K subs for all my viewers and all my subscribers. And it's gonna be a pretty good one for you guys. So as of always, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and we will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.